Combat. Combat as a noun refers to a physical fight or conflict between individuals, groups, or forces. It can also be used in a more general sense to describe a struggle or confrontation against difficulties or challenges. Combat as a verb means to actively fight against or oppose something, usually involving efforts to overcome or counteract a particular problem, threat, or situation. It can refer to both physical and non-physical struggles. In both cases, combat is often used in contexts that involve efforts to confront, challenge, or overcome obstacles, whether they are physical, intellectual, social, or other forms of adversity.